gonna make a Thai-inspired farro bowl with some fresh veggies. Carrot, I'm gonna just grate this. Japanese sweet potato. The message that I wanna share with you today, and I've said this before, we go through a lot of pain in our lives, but we have a choice. We can grow from the pain and evolve, become a better person, come from a state of compassion and love, or we can regress from the pain, become dark, resentful, hateful, and develop toxic habits, victimize ourselves. You act a certain way because this happened to you. You have a choice. You know, you got hurt in a relationship before, so you choose to be a playboy or a playgirl. You had a failed business before. You choose to give up on yourself, give up on your dreams. The truth sometimes can hurt and it's hard to face it, but it's better than running away from our problems, numbing ourselves from the problems that are still always going to be there. Things don't get better, you just get stronger. Don't think of change as something bad. Think of it as neutral or positive because you can always learn from it. You can always become better from it. Don't let it tear you down. Use it to inspire you to keep going forward. Do the healing work, do the shadow work, and grow from it. Some boiling water, sweet potatoes in, salt, a cup of this farro and sweet potatoes. I'm just winging it. This is home cooking. Celery. Life isn't always easy. You could follow the plan 100%. Sometimes it just doesn't work out. So it's important to have that resiliency and to reassess all the time. You need to be able to think outside of the box. Things don't go your way. Think of a solution. With cabbage. I think in the society that we live in with instant gratification from social media and so much convenience, we forget the simple things. We forget the importance of experiencing life, not just for Instagram. Think about what you want to do that actually brings you joy rather than doing what everybody else does because you want to be cool. I'm gonna make a little pickle with my carrot, celery, and cabbage, rice vinegar, pink salt, pepper. Could have used a bigger bowl, but voila, this is my nice pickle. Refrigerator. Farro is an ancient grain. It was consumed in ancient Rome. I like that. I got a pepper. Potatoes cooked, farro's cooked. Shut this off. All the water's gone. Just chill on the side. Button mushroom, 2 tomatoes, panang, olive oil. I'm gonna add my mushrooms and peppers first. And cooking is a process just like anything. You have to take time, care, and intention to make something yummy. Okay, take this out. Oil, panang curry paste, about 2 tablespoons. This is dangerous. I am ruining my shirt. Watch your eyes. Coconut milk. Tomatoes, veggies back in. Let's build this bowl. I'm hungry. I got my cabbage, celery, and carrot slaw, vegetable curry, and I got some ready-to-eat salad. Oh, my farro. Looks like kale, curry, a little acidity, avocado. I got a little bit of the skin on there. Oh well. Mix it up. Remember, don't run from your problems. Go within, heal yourself, and evolve. You know, I sometimes post cooking videos where I try to make something creative that's actually not so good, but I still post it because I want you to see the process. I want you to know that not everything is perfect, but this is actually really tasty. You can probably buy this at the store or you can make this at home. You can add some protein if you like. And you know, there's another secret taste that not everyone knows, and that's love. So sometimes it might not taste so delicious, but you can taste the love. So it is delicious. You could feel it.